Now question of the day, how can determine x if these two lines are parallel? Look here very carefully. Draw a parallel line corresponding to that one. If that one is M, N and L. Okay. This diagram is not properly. Okay. So you can assume here M and N are parallel. So here if that line N is draw corresponding to M parallel to L parallel to N. So you can say that N parallel to M and parallel to L. Okay. Now look here. If this one is 120, what about that one? Simply x1. And what about that one? X simply you can consider x2. Clear? Now how can determine x? X is basically our target x. X means x1 plus x2. Clear? Look here very carefully. If this one is 120, so what about that angle? Also 120. Okay. Same thing here. If that one is 120, so you can say that that one is also 120. Clear? After that, sum of these three, 120, 120 and x is how much? 360. So x plus 120 plus 120, how much? 360. So x is how much? 360 minus 240. So we got how much? 120 degree. So basically x is how much? 120. Okay. Otherwise you can do this question another method also. Another method is draw line corresponding to here and this one here. If this one is 120, so what about that angle? 60 degree. And what about that angle? 60 degree. Clear? Now after that, draw a line corresponding to, parallel line corresponding to M and here L. So if this one is a parallel to that one, so that angle and that angle are equal. So this is 60 degree. Same concept apply here. These two lines are parallel. So if this one is 60, so what about that one? 60. After that, sum of these two is how much? 120. Clear? So x is how much? 120 is the right answer. Make it.